Hey everybody, hey gems, hey guys, hello, it's me, it's Karen. I have the icon box that we're going to unbox today. So welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here. If you're new, say hello to me down in the comments. I'd love to get to know you. And let's just go ahead and open this bad boy up. So now I think there's 8 items in here, and the curator was Anastasia Beverly Hills. And if you guys saw my paid box, one item came exploded. And overall I got the Modern Renaissance palette, which I wasn't too happy about because we can get that like anywhere now. Although, you know, I mean, it is Anastasia. But anyhow, we're going to open up this box. This is my PR box. I have peeked. It is much better. Much better. Okay, let's get into it. All right. So I don't even know if they gave me a pamphlet on this one, but we're going to start out with the Skin Inc. Supplement Bar Body Sculpt Fit Serum. I will put the total value of this on the screen, by the way. I'm kind of excited to try this. I've gotten a lot of body firming stuff in the past and none of it's worked. So who the heck knows if this stuff works or not, but definitely going to try it. Okay, next, I was so excited to see this. JLo Beauty, that Blockbuster Hydrating Cream. This here is obviously JLo's brand, and I did try it. It is really creamy, like really, like it's almost like jelly, and it's a pretty thick moisturizer. And I actually used this with the next thing I'm going to show you, that device. This, I'm not going to open this one because I have one open already, and I got to tell you about this. This is okay. Strange. So the Reduit, I think it's called, or I don't know. I'll put the information on the screen, but Reduit Boost. Here it is here. It comes with a charging tool. You have to charge it, and then you have to turn it on. And I've watched a couple videos on this, and there is an app. I put the app on my phone, and then I added this product here. And supposedly, if I have gotten this right from watching reviews and from reading about this and going to the site, once you add a product, and you're supposed to be able to click on that product, and it's supposed to send a signal to this, and then you use this to apply the product. Let me just tell you that you have to turn this on, and then the whole thing with, yes, you can add your products or whatever, it does not send a signal to it. You just have to keep hitting the button. It was so strange to me. And it does do little different things, and as you're using it around your face, it will stop after like 30 seconds or whatever. But I'm going to be honest, this here, all it did was push the product around, and the product never even absorbed into my skin. And then I used my fingers afterwards, and I ended up having to wash this off because it was too heavy of a moisturizer. That was just my experience with it. I don't know. Other people have said they liked this thing. I don't even know how to turn it off now yet. Hang on. I think yeah, there we go. But I think it's kind of pointless. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. I think it's kind of pointless. I haven't used this again since. I really do think that it's just too heavy of a moisturizer for me, and my skin is combination, so it just might not work for my skin tone. Okay, and then I got another set of brushes. This is by Alamar. This is their 3-piece eye brush set. You have your blending brush, your packing brush, and your stiffy. That eyeliner smudge brush, I think, is the actual name for it. Okay, then moving on, and I did get this in my paid box. I do like this. This is the MAC, what do they call it? Magic Extension Fiber Mascara. I have it on, but I also have lashes on because mascara just doesn't do it for me alone. But I do like it, and so far I am enjoying it, and I do like the wand. I'll show you guys the one that I've been using. Here it is here. Okay. Next, we have a satin lipstick by Anastasia. Oh, let's try her. What? Warm Peach. Magnetic case. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's try her. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Ooh, I like that. All right, cool. Nice and creamy. Very cool. Then I have by Anastasia the cream bronzer. What shade is this? Caramel. All right, let's open it the other way. The box is kind of soft. It's like that soft material. I like that. Oh boy, this is going to be way too dark. Way too. Yeah, I'm thinking that's going to be too dark, so I'm not going to swatch it because I might be able to give that to someone else. I mean, it's warm. I'd have to be tanner, so I'm not going to be able to try that out right now. And then the last thing, which I do have on my eyes, and I absolutely love it, is the Anastasia, what is this called? The Primrose palette. I have the blush on, and then I played with the eyeshadows, and it blended like a dream. I absolutely love it. I'm so excited. This is definitely going to be one of the palettes I keep here at my personal vanity because I have my work one out there. All right, let's recap again, and then you guys can tell me what you think of my box. Okay, so this overpriced tool, can't ever see myself using it. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. The MAC mascara, the firming cream. Go and try this bitch, see if it works. Then the eye brush set. The JLo Beauty, so happy to get this, even though it's just not for me as of right now. I can give you updates. The Satin lipstick. I know there's going to be more. Palette. Is that everything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. And the bronzer. Okay, so that is everything. I like this box way better than my paid one. You guys tell me, because I got this palette. This is the one we wanted, Anastasia. This one. The Modern Renaissance is great. I mean, if you're going through that palette and that's one of your staples and you use it all the time and then you got it again, bonus for you, but not for me. I'm so excited to see this one in here. I really do like it. And the colors are just stunning, especially for summer. So yeah, I'm really into it. Definitely. Actually, it looks so much different on camera than it does in real life. Like, this is a very dark plum kind of color, but it doesn't really look like that on camera. Anyhow, tell me what you guys think. Now, I heard some of you didn't even get a palette, and I really hope that that's not true, because when you pay, what is this? I ended up paying like $64 when I had my paid box. This was my PR box though. You want to get something like this in there. I mean, am I right? Just be honest with me. Okay, I can't wait to talk to you guys down in the comments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoy unboxings, would you hit that subscribe button? All things beauty on this channel, and thank you for being here. I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.